welcome to the Muscle Car Modeler. My name is Revell, and wanted to show you this one. It's one of my build-ups that I did a few years back. This one's pretty recent. What you're looking at here is a Revell 2013 ZL1 Camaro Coupe. And the ZL1, pretty potent engine package for the time. It's a supercharged 6.2 liter engine with 580 horsepower. Pretty radical for nowadays, but you know, we've gotten more and more powerful engines in cars. But this is a Revell pre-painted kit, and just a fun quick build for me. Well, it started off being a quick build as they go. It was pre-painted in metallic red, and came beautiful from Revell, and it was not really a snap kit, but a real nice kit. But I stripped the paint. As you can see, this is not the cherry red. It's actually Scale Finishes Atomic Orange, which is wasn't technically available on this car at that time, but a similar color was. But I had Atomic Orange on hand, and I meant to do it for a Corvette, and didn't happen. It ended up on this car. But really liking how this one came out, especially for a quick build. Stripped the chrome wheels; those are painted black, and then the Atomic Orange just really pops. I put a white piece underneath, hoping that it helps the camera pick up the color much better, as some of my films I've been having trouble videoing because of the color. But and this is shot with the automotive clear coat with hardener, actual automotive clear coat. It's airbrushed on, but and then that hood, that's carbon fiber decals put on there. Revell just paints that area black, and then I detailed all the emblems, foil, and foiled the marker lights both front and rear, and put the turn signal amber and stoplight red right on top of it. And also foil behind the taillights as a little tip here, so that you can see they reflect back at the light, instead of just being a clear red lens that you can almost see inside. I do that on a lot of my builds. So if you notice the light really reflects through the taillights, that's why. And interior is pretty well detailed. Didn't go crazy on this one, but detailed it out as best I can. It was just kind of a slump buster and just having some fun with it. And this one actually has an engine, and pretty nice one. I didn't do any extra detailing or wiring with it, but I did paint it out the way it should be. And pretty nice engine, and it's pretty cool just for the engine alone. Even though you can't see from the bottom side, it's got a skid plate and all this stuff. It's automatic tranny, and detailed out the bottom side as best I could. I like my models built pretty much brand new right off the showroom. I just like them that way. One of these days I'll actually try and weather one or do one as a barn find, but haven't done that. But there's the front end of that. But this is a really fun one, and I like how this one came out. But it's a great car. Wouldn't mind owning one. But only thing I wish it kind of had was the OnStar antenna up on the roof. Thought about carving and shaping one, but left it alone. But she's a beautiful one. Revell did a really nice job on this kit, especially for being a pre-painted and assemble it. I didn't do anything to the ride height. To me, it seems like it sits just a little high. It could sit a little lower, but still a pretty good build, especially for being what was going to be a quick build for me. But really like that color. Apparently I'm picking a lot of oranges and reds to show you guys. But since I haven't featured any GM muscle cars yet, I figured I would pull this one out. It's just what popped in my head. It's like, it's modern. It's a muscle car and it's GM. And I'll get some more shown here, but really like this one. I really like this color. But let me know what you think and in the comments and whatnot. And thank you for subscribing and viewing. I appreciate it. I'll talk to you again.